Hey everyone, I'm Jenni with Sustrate Strategies. I'm a strategic legacy planner and I specialize in securing the legacy of your family for all future generations. I am honored to be here today with my best friend, Cynthia Cherie. She is licensed as both a mortgage broker and a realtor. In today's video, we're gonna go over why mortgage insurance is so different from life insurance and why having your personalized life insurance plan is much better.
So one of the things that we find often as a mortgage broker is that we do have to offer liability coverage in the form of mortgage, life, disability, critical illness insurance. We are not licensed insurance agents, however, so that product is very limited and we're not able to shop the product to fit the client's needs necessarily. It's just simply covering off that liability, which is why we often try to get Jenni involved in the transaction, meeting with our clients so that she can offer a broader spectrum of products and services addressing the financial health of the client.
Oh, absolutely. And I love that we work together on that, really educating the client as to why it's so important to have a personalized insurance and financial plan to replace the mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance, like you say, is good to just have in place if there's nothing else, but to really get the proper insurance that's going to secure your family and your legacy is the right life, disability, and critical illness insurance. When you have your own personalized plan, it's really customized to you, your needs personally, your business as well if you have a business, and you really make sure that way that absolutely everything you need is covered properly.
One of the things that I have to address on the mortgage life insurance product is that it's a declining balance. So it starts out with just the mortgage limit. Let's say your mortgage limit is $400,000, right? As you pay down the mortgage, the insurance actually also declines. So it only ever pays out the balance outstanding on the mortgage, not what you started with. That does not mean your premium goes down, however. So you pay a certain amount based on the original limit, and you continue paying that amount through the lifetime of the loan. Now, there are some other problems with that product, and not just from myself, but let's say you waive that insurance offered through me, but you get it through the lawyer or through the lender themselves. A lot of banks will have an in-house meeting to try to upsell you gravy on your fries, so to speak.
Yeah.
And that's when you get their insurance policy. If you get those policies, they're not transferable. Let's say that lender in 5 years doesn't offer you the best interest rate, so you want to move the mortgage from that bank to another bank. Then you're stuck getting a new insurance policy at the end of your 5 years, and you're 5 years older, so your insurance premium's more expensive. If you get a term policy with someone like Jenni, then you're not subject to that every 5-year review and increase on premium.
It makes a huge difference
Yeah.
because I have looked at a lot of people who have mortgage insurance and they could be young or old. Usually life insurance is always going to be a little bit cheaper, and I have saved someone to the tune of $400 a month on their mortgage insurance premium versus their life insurance premium. It also makes a huge difference, just like you say, as the life of your mortgage and as the balance goes down. If someone were to pass away and if that mortgage insurance actually paid out, it would only pay the balance of your mortgage. So you have to think there's no extra money there for you. There's nothing for final expenses, so for funeral or taxes. There's nothing for income replacement, so if you're at home with young ones, you have to go back to work. You have to put them in daycare because there's no other income replacement there. And there's no money there for grieving. So when you have life insurance, you can cover off all of these things in addition to paying off the mortgage. Also with life insurance, you can have a longer term, so you don't have to renew it every 5 years. You can choose 10, 20, 30, to age 65, to age 80, or for life. You have lots of different options. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today and sharing all this valuable information. How can they contact you?
For sure, if anyone does have any questions, I'm Cynthia Cherie on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and my details will be in the description below.
So if any of this information resonates with you, I would love to connect with you. You can follow me on Facebook or Instagram at Sustrate Strategies. And if you go to my website, sustratestrategies.com, you can book a complimentary session with me where we can start working on creating the legacy for you and your family.